Getting started is super easy with Whiteboard. Locate the magic box in the main toolbar, and then open it, and you'll see a row of icons on the top. If you don't see all these icons, it may be because you're not signed in, so go back and check out how to sign in to Whiteboard. But what we want to do is we want to import content. So you'll see here that this icon, that's my local storage. So if I have something like in my documents, I can import it into Whiteboard. But let's focus in on cloud storage. So you'll see my Google Drive icon is right here. And what this allows me to do is go into my actual My Drive. So if you don't know, your My Drive is where your actual files are stored. So go ahead and give that a double click or a double tap. And then from here, you'll start seeing your folders and different kinds of files that you can import. So you can import things like Google Docs and PDFs, as well as images and audio files. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to import a PDF. If you ever need to go up, just click that up arrow by the folder title. And then to bring in a file, just double click it. Now, once it's downloaded, you're going to go ahead and click which pages you want to bring in. So you'll see here I have 4 pages. 2 of these are answer sheets. So I don't want those pages. I just want to import the ones that have the content on it. So I'm going to do pages 1 and 2, and then click the import button at the bottom. This will bring in page 1 and then page 2. You can see here I can go forwards and backwards. The cool thing about bringing in your content is it's really easy to get started with it. And I can use this hand tool here. This is called Infinite Canvas. And when I activate it, I can use 2 fingers to kind of pinch and zoom in on the document. Then I can switch back to my pen tool and start annotating on top of this. And because I imported this into Whiteboard, it's sticky. So it's actually part of the lesson, which makes it, again, really easy to get started and immediately start teaching without starting from scratch.